Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today I am doing, as you can see, another Opulence collection addition to my Let's Play series, and I was inspired by this one picture on Pat's Instagram, which had this model wear like blue all over the eye. And I was looking at my Instagram feed and I was like, it's looking a little too conventional. Like, I mean, it's fun, you know, like there's your smoky eye, lashes, red lips, there's your cut crease, there's your graphic cut crease, but I haven't done like an editorial look that just kind of puts a real big pop of color in my feed. So that's what we're gonna work on today, and I'm gonna be using mainly the Dark Star palette and a little bit of the Metamorphosis. So my idea with the whole thing is to kind of build the shape and the shading first, and then lay down Interstellar on top to see, you know, to see if it works. Like, I didn't do my brows today because I'm gonna be covering them as well. And as usual, I have my whole face on. Highlighter is a little stronger because we put a little bit more of that white highlighter from the Hot Fist blush palette. ASMR coming soon. Like, I haven't done one in a while and I'm itching to do another ASMR unboxing, so I'll find something to do to unbox soon. Alright, so let me zoom in and we'll get it started. As usual, I'm starting with my NARS eyeshadow base, smudge proof eyeshadow base. And then I'm gonna lay down, let's see, what's the most, I'm trying to think of a shade that I can lay down that's not gonna be like overly annoying. And for some reason I'm gravitating towards Sterling. So I'm gonna lay down Sterling with this first as a base, and hopefully it'll work out. There you go, and we just need a little bit, you know, we just want it to be there to kind of help us blend the other colors. Okay, now I'm gonna use the ponytail brush and I'm gonna go with dark matter, and I'm just sketching out the shadows, you know. Perfect, so you can see we're creating a little bit of a mood. Okay, and I'm gonna go with the same shade underneath to build the shape, you know, underneath the eye. And I'm gonna go past my brows, I'm gonna connect this whole thing. Like, this whole thing is gonna be covered, it's gonna be sick. I'm gonna pass, just draw a little bit of a shadow there. There you go, and that's it. So once you get to this point, we're gonna start covering everything. It's gonna be super blue, but it's gonna be super sick, you'll see. And I'm gonna start by covering my eyebrows now. So I'm gonna use a little bit of the NARS Smudge Proof eyeshadow base, and we're just gonna coat the brows before we actually coat them with blue as well. So I'm just covering this mascara wand. Actually, I'm just gonna put it in the tube. That's so dumb, why didn't I think of that before? Okay, I'm gonna go backwards, and then forwards, and then backwards. Okay, now that they're covered with primer, I'm gonna go with the whiteout concealer, and we're gonna cover them with whiteout concealer as well. Okay, now it is time to lay down Interstellar. So I'm gonna use I'm gonna use it as a shadow first, and then I'm gonna do the brows last. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna use my finger first and see if that works. Okay, now I'm gonna use a brush for more precision. Okay, now I gotta bring it out a little bit more. And now I'm gonna work in some details with this little brush. Okay, now comes the other hard part, which is covering the brows with blue. I'm gonna scrape a little bit of the Interstellar with this, and then I'm gonna mix it with water on my hand, and hopefully it'll work out. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the very last crowning moment of this look, which is to put a little gold in the inner corners, and that's gonna give you tons of brightness. So I'm using Gold Standard from the Metamorphosis palette. Okay guys, I'm back, and I took the liberty of putting eyeliner, mascara, and I even I drew an outline around the eye and then filled it in so it's a little bit more graphic. I was taking photos and then I realized that this actually makes it look a little bit cooler, you know, because having the edges not as defined made it look, I don't know, it just wasn't as cool looking. So I decided to do this and it looks a lot better. So as you know, I'm gonna be putting videos and photos over here. If you want to see the rest of it, you can go to Instagram, you know, see the picture and stare at it. It'll last you longer. And I'm just gonna end the video over here. So go ahead and subscribe if you haven't, ring the bell button so you're notified when I have new videos. Don't forget to like and share the video. I'll see you guys on the next one.